Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to trade with leverage on Kraken Pro. Very easy. First launch Kraken, come here, click on spot and margin, under markets by the way, and then just choose any asset you want to leverage. So let's choose Bitcoin slash USD, and then I want you to click on either buy or sell. Okay, I'll choose buy. And now you can come here, click on this drop down, you can select any of these options, whatever one you're comfortable with. So choose that, and if you want to do either a margin or spot trade, okay? We'll do limit and we'll do margin. So first just enter the amount in US dollars that you would like to, put up for leverage. So let's say 10 bucks, okay? And then you can go ahead and set a take profit or stop loss, okay? So you just put in the percentage right there, and you can go ahead and review everything. So you'll see all the details. So 2% and then minus 4%. So this is what I'll do, and you can review everything, and when you're happy with it, just click here on a buy. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.